So this is mostly a note for myself, but I have a 1987 Catalina 22 with the kick-up rudder. So this is a new design. And what I was finding was the rudder would not stay down no matter how much I tightened it. And I disassembled it. This was a saltwater boat, and you can see, nasty corrosion. And there was dried salt, which was acting pretty slippery. But what I found also is there's this hole, and then there's a groove here, and that's from the nubbin, or the half the ball detent, working its way into the aluminum. So I think that's steel, this is aluminum, and I think it's just popping out. So my hope is to get through the rest of the season by cleaning it up and hopefully increasing the friction so I can tighten it down sufficiently. If that doesn't work, then what I'm going to try is to maybe put some little grooves in here and then fill it with low temperature aluminum weld. So it's not real welding, but you can get these sticks from Home Depot or Harbor Freight, and use a plumber's torch to fill this in and then sand it down. So like I said, this is mostly a note for myself, but maybe it'll be useful for somebody else. I have a 1987 Catalina 22 with the kick-up rudder.